Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Pankaj Tyagi and I am the director and the founder of USA English Language Academy, Panipat. And guys, today here with me one of my students named Garvit, and he is a student of only 9th standard and he speaks English. He has joined our course and he has been learning English only a couple of days. Still, he is improving day by day and he has started almost speaking English very good. So now I am going to ask him some questions. So please pay attention and please cooperate the child. So Garvit, how are you?
I'm pretty well, sir. And you?
Oh, I am always pretty well. So Garvit, what do you do?
I'm a student of 9th standard
In which school?
in SD Modern Senior Secondary School.
Okay, in SD Modern Senior Secondary School. So how old are you?
I am 13 years old.
Only 13-year-old.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and you are a student of 9th standard.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what's your father?
My father is a businessman.
What type of business he has?
He deals in sugar bags and refined oils.
Okay, and your mother?
My mother is a teacher
She's a teacher. In which school?
in same school, SD Modern Senior Secondary School.
In the same school where you study.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one elder sister.
Okay, and what's your aim?
Actually, I haven't decided it yet.
You haven't decided. So, can you tell me about your hobbies
Yes, sir. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books.
and reading books? What type of books?
I like to read historical books.
Okay. Do you like listening songs?
Yes, sir.
So, what type of songs do you usually listen?
I like to hear Punjabi songs.
Punjabi song. Can you sing a song? One or two lines. Yes, come on.
Actually, I don't remember now.
Right now, and still you listen Punjabi songs.
Yes,
Good. Okay. So, Garvit, as you have almost learnt simple present tense, so can you tell me 2-3 sentences of simple present tense?
yeah, sir. He goes for work. She learns English here. You teaches English. That's
Okay. I teach English.
yes.
Okay. So, would you like to tell something about your daily routine?
Yes.
So,
sure.
please hear the mic and please put it here and start speaking your daily routine. Okay.
Good morning, friends. My name is Kavit. I'm a student of 9th standard. Today, I want to tell you about my daily routine. I get up at 5, then I wash my face and splash water into my eyes. Then I study for 2 hours. After study, I take a shower and get ready to go school. Then I worship the God. And have my breakfast and go to school. I attend 8 periods there. At 2, I come back home. And then I take nap for a while and have some snacks off and on. I have some snacks. Then I get ready to come US Academy. I learn English here for 1 hour. Then I go back to home and then I play games on mobile phone I play games on mobile phone and then I go to park for play and I do my homework that I receive from school. So and then at 8 I have my dinner and once in a blue moon I have a glass of milk and go to bed. That's all about my daily routine.
So thank you very much, Garvit. You spoke very well. So guys, did you see that the guy, he is only a 13 years old student, still he speaks very fast in English. So if you really want to be fluent like Garvit, you can join our center. The name of our center, USA English Academy, Panipat. And guys, I would like to leave my number. If you want to call us, you can call us anytime, please. So please note down the phone number 9812666191. One more time, I would like to repeat the number, please. 9812666191. So guys, thank you very much for watching the video.